You know it, folks. It is Epic Ride 2014. Here we go. Wow, my hands are all like stuck. My fingers around the throttle and everything. Pretty much stay in fourth gear up here. You want to stay inside that power band. Oh, damn, some bug just died. Up and died. People taking pictures of fog. It said Pisgah Mountain, said restaurant. I don't see no restaurant. $2.76 for Royal Winds, but I still got 100 miles worth of gas. Great Smoky Mountain National Park. 57 miles. Pigeon Gap, 4,520 feet in the air we are right now. Oh, that's a hell of a curve right there. A guardrail. Wow. I know y'all just don't have the point of view I have with my eyes as y'all in the camera. Y'all are looking where the helmet's looking. But wow. You're still on Blue Ridge Parkway. Day 2. Tank 2. Every muscle in my body is sore. Not necessarily from the bumps and everything, just from the tenseness of, you know, my thighs grab the motorcycle in a curve. You know, you don't think you're pulling on the handlebars, but you are. Wow. Wow. See how long I held that wave for in the curve and everything? Like a boss. Not like my boss. My boss is my wife. Like a boss. Just any particular boss. Oh, I can feel the sun and the warmth. That's going to come in handy. As far as me not dying and stuff like that, yeah. It's going to work out well. My side. To find a city, get my bearings on where I'm at, but look around, people. You see a city? Me neither. Cherry Gap, 4,325 feet. We are going up, and he's coming down. Hello, everybody. Man, I don't know if that was a man or a woman, but sleeveless. At least I thought, you know, maybe I ought to wear something to break the wind. Leaves are starting to fall. That's a very popular destination. I wonder why is that? Oh, they just, where are they? Are they waiting for the, I don't know. It's like a ghost cars on the Blue Ridge Parkway. There's cars everywhere, but nobody's in them. And look, Cliff, where did they go? I don't know. Disappear into the fog, I guess. I don't know. I thought it said 35 mile an hour because some sort of junction, some sort of town was coming up, but no, 35 mile an hour because you're gonna hang on the edge of the mountain in the fog and turn. Unbeknownst to you, so that's why. That was smart. DOT. Go ahead, go with your bad self, DOT.